Hi YouTube. So with Cadillac's latest update that I got, I finally got this recording button here, and that's for all your surround vision recording, I believe. And I think you can use it as a security feature. I haven't gotten it working yet, but I think you can use it as a security feature too. So like once you park, if it detects motion around your car, it'll start recording. But so far, when I click on it, I've been getting this message here, and it didn't matter what I put in there into the USB slot there. And so I ordered from Amazon. I ordered this. It is just a 128 gigabyte, just whatever weird brand this is. It was like $12. But what I found out was if I plug this in, it tells me that it needs to be formatted to a FAT32 formatting. So I'm going to go figure out how to do that. If I remember right, you can do it just in the Windows command. So I'm going to work on that, and we'll see if that fixes this. So I figured I would show how to format your card into a FAT32 format. So using command prompt. Anyway, so you plug your USB stick in, and then we're going to go into command prompt here, and then in your command prompt here, you're going to type in disk part, all one word, and that should ask us if we want to run that. Go ahead and hit yes, and then it's going to ask you, or then you're going to enter list disk. We're going to take the one. So you're just obviously just looking at the size. This is my computers. This is the one that I plugged in. And then down in here, we're going to hit enter select. Hopefully you can see it. You're going to hit select disk. And then, well, you want disk 1 here. Select disk 1. So now disk 1 is selected. We're gonna enter clean. Now the disk is clean, and then we're gonna want to create partition primary. And then once that primary is created, we're going to enter format space fs equals FAT32 space quick. And that has now formatted our USB stick here into a FAT32 system. So now we should be able to just close this out, close that out, go into our drive, eject this, and then we'll try this in the car and see what happens. So this is a CT5V 26. And so I guess before they used to have the plugins, the USB plugins in the trunk. Well, now it is going to be right in the center console here. And so now let's see if this actually works. So we're going to hit turn on here, go into recordings, and it looks like it's drive to start recording. It looks like it's actually going to work. And then, yeah, we'll just take a look through some of these settings. Surround vision recording, USB drive. There you go. And so this, I don't know how the security feature on this works, but this will be interesting to see, because there's this, and the other thing that I found recently was if you put in a memory card in the SD slot, you can actually go into PDR here, and then you can go into recording, and it automatically start recording too. So, but I think that is just the front feed. The front camera. This surround one should do all of them. So that'll be interesting. hopefully this will help if you are trying to get this to work.